I'll do my best to present from our side what's been requested today. So I'll briefly talk about the products that we are providing for the free demo cases. Some of them already been delivered, as far as I know, and the rest are yet to be delivered. So for the demo case 1, there are 2 types of PV modules, BIPV modules that we will produce. The one is for the on the left-hand side for the balcony, and the other one is for the roof. The balcony one is a glass type of PV module with the dimensions you can see here, around 1.5 square meters per module, 41 kilos in weight, with the junction boxes for the electrical interconnections at the back. As the one for the roof is the glass back sheet, as we call it, with the special terracotta film laminated for the to meet the requirements for the aesthetics. That's the slide showing of the installation where it's planned. Now, as for the installation guidelines, at least the info I got from Algirdas is that we are, won't do the installation ourselves as the partner, but would provide the guidelines and assistance of the main systems that are used for these type of installations. So in these couple of slides, I'll briefly present the standard fixing tools for these type of modules, depending on the substructure. So for the wooden type of battens, the aluminum or other metal type of profiles with the special screws can be used to prepare the substructure for the PV modules to be installed, as shown in this picture. For the if the substructure is the concrete type, the other type of profiles and screwing methods are used to maintain the required rigidity of the system and durability. For the aluminum type of frames, another type of system with the clamps, special clamps could be used, as the modules would be frameless glass-based modules, so the special clamps with the rubber type of inlets are normally used in these type of installations. For the demo case 2, we have a smaller type of module, a tile type of module, which weighs around 1 kilo only. So as with the previous one, at least 2 people would be needed to handle the modules. With this one person is just enough. This is a glass backsheet type of PV panel that should mimic as close as possible the standard roof tile, which is installed in the demo case in the Netherlands. And the mounting instructions are, again, exactly the same as previous ones, were for more of the building applied PV type of approach. This one is building integrated PV, where we replace the roofing material or complement the standard roofing material, in this case with the tiles matching the dimensions and the mounting procedures with the standard roofing material installation as shown here. The third demo case, as far as I know, it's already been installed, so I won't hinder too much here. As for the handling and transportation, so many common things were said in the previous presentations, especially in the first one. What I would like to point out in terms of the precautions needed when installing the PV modules for these demo cases is that all of them are glass-based, as normally the PV modules are, but these are the frameless ones, so there is no protective aluminum frame as in standard PV modules you would normally see. So the special care should be taken with the edges of the glasses, where the most sensitive part of the PV module. So a tiny impact could cause the modules to break on the installation site. Therefore, the protective gloves and glasses, helmet, and so on should be used for installation. Also, there is a part of the electrical connections where the only certified installer should do the electrical part, as the physical mounting of the modules could be done by the trained personnel, but the electrical connections in between the modules and towards the inverter and system commissioning should be done by certified electricians. That could depend country by country, the exact regulations, but general rule of thumb is that only certain people can do the electrical part. As for the packaging and disposal of materials, standardly we use the materials that are shown here for our product packaging. So the OSB type of boxes on a wooden pallets. Normally the modules come with the paper interlayer in between them, not to scratch the glasses during transportation, and sometimes the PE type of film to protect from weather conditions on the installation site. So again, depending on the country, the regulations for the disposal and sorting could differ, but normally we would suggest to sort these separately and then utilize them or recycle based on the local regulations. That's what we do here in Lithuania, at least. That's it, and thank you for your attention.